Michael Dodd! G'day! I'm Michael Dodd, I'm from Sydney, Australia, and I help people give great answers to tough questions. Now, why do I do that? Well, back in Australia, I was trained by the Australian Broadcasting Corporation to ask really tough questions, known in Australia as blowtorch-on-the-belly questions. That's a technical term, but if you're on the end of them, when people are asking you to resign over this or that, you'll get a bit of an idea of what they are. And I can give you the golden formulas for giving great answers to those tough questions. But one of the key things is preparation. Yeah? However brilliant you are at what you do, you're probably not going to give a great answer on the spur of the moment. So think in advance. What is the worst thing they can ask me, and what's the answer in advance? And if anyone asks you, how do we get someone for our audience to come along and speak about giving great answers to tough questions? Tell them Michael Dodd.